The H1B Guy here, and today, the H1B Guy forecasts December 2024 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions. I'm way late in getting this out, but the monthly Visa Bulletin hasn't posted, so let's go over my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment-based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. You can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Join the squad. And by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. Well, thanks to everyone who checked out the H1B Guy forecast November 2024 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions that posted on October 3rd, and the H1B Guy grades November 2024 Visa Bulletin predictions versus the actual bulletin released that posted on October 14th, where I reviewed my November forecast. If you're new to this channel, each month I cover employment-based immigration benefits, including my monthly Visa Bulletin predictions. Last month, I graded out at 70%, 19 out of 27. I'll continue to use the bulletin for 6 months prior and last month's bulletin to identify if there are any noticeable trends, starting with the November 2024 Visa Bulletin's number of days of forward movement month over month, and the number of days of forward movement over the last 6 months from the May 2024 Visa Bulletin. So let's jump into the results from the November 2024 Visa Bulletin, starting with final action dates for India and EB1. February 1st, 2022, no forward movement, month over month, 337 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, July 15th, 2012, no forward movement month over month, 91 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, November 1st, 2012, no forward movement month over month, 78 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for China and EB1, November 8th, 2022, no forward movement month over month, 68 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, March 22nd, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 50 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, April 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 153 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For final action dates for Philippines and EB2, March 15th, 2023, no forward movement month over month, 59 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3 other workers, December 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 214 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For final action dates for all chargeability, EB2, March 15th, 2023, no forward movement month over month, 59 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, November 15th, 2022, no forward movement month over month, 7 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3 other workers, December 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 54 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. Then EB4, January 1st, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 61 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And for final action dates for Mexico and EB4, January 1st, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 61 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. Moving on to dates of filing for India and EB1, April 15th, 2022, no forward movement month over month, 379 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, January 1st, 2013, no forward movement month over month, 231 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, June 8th, 2013, no forward movement month over month, 266 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates filing for China and EB1, January 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, no forward movement in the last 6 months. EB2, October 1st, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 122 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And EB3, November 15th, 2020, no forward movement month over month, 228 days of retrogression in the last 6 months. For dates filing for Philippines in EB2, August 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, 167 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3 other workers, May 22nd, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 372 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. For dates filing for all chargeability EB2, August 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, 167 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3, March 1st, 2023, no forward movement month over month, 28 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB3 other workers, May 22nd, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 158 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. EB4, February 1st, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 62 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. And for dates filing for Mexico in EB4, February 1st, 2021, no forward movement month over month, 62 days of forward movement in the last 6 months. So with all of that being said, let's forecast the December 2024 Visa Bulletin for employment-based preferences. Disclaimer, these dates are completely made up guesses based on my own personal hunches and historical data. For the December 2024 Visa Bulletin, the H1B Guy forecasts final election dates for India and EB1, February 1st, 2022, EB2, July 15th, 2012, EB3, November 1st, 2012. For final election dates for China and EB1, November 8th, 2022, EB2, March 22nd, 2020, EB3, April 1st, 2020. For final election dates for Philippines and EB2, March 15th, 2023, EB3 other workers, December 1st, 2020. For final election dates for all chargeability EB2, March 15th, 2023, EB3, November 15th, 2022, EB3 other workers, December 1st, 2020, and EB4, January 1st, 2021. And for final election dates for Mexico in EB4, January 1st, 2021. Moving on to dates filing for India in EB1, April 15th, 2022. EB2, January 1st, 2013. EB3, June 8th, 2013. For dates filing for China in EB1, January 1st, 2023. EB2, October 1st, 2020. EB3, November 15th, 2020. For dates filing for Philippines in EB2, August 1st, 2023. EB3 other workers, May 22nd, 2021. For dates filing for all chargeability EB2, August 1st, 2023. EB3, March 1st, 2023. EB3 other workers, May 22nd, 2021. EB4, February 1st, 2021. And for dates filing for Mexico in EB4, February 1st, 2021. So to recap, I'm forecasting another month of no forward movement. I considered not even putting this out because it's really no different than last month, but I'm hopeful that my pessimism means we'll see some kind of forward movement for December's Visa Bulletin instead. Now let's forecast the release date for the December 2024 Visa Bulletin. I'm predicting Monday, November 11th, 2024 as the release date of the December 2024 Visa Bulletin, with Tuesday, November 12th, 2024, and Wednesday, November 13th, 2024 as my second and third options. So really recapping those release dates again, Monday, November 11th, 2024, Tuesday, November 12th, 2024, and Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. Once the December 2024 Visa Bulletin is released, I'll put together the H1B Guy grades to see how I did with my predictions for them. For the full post on the H1B Guy forecasts, December 2024 Visa Bulletin employment-based predictions, please check out the h1bguy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa-related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad hires the world's top tech talent and supports their immigration and relocation to Canada. Work with leading North American companies and provide dedicated expertise in data science, machine learning, front and back end software development, and technical project management. With our comprehensive immigration, relocation, and employment solutions, we help make your North American dream come true. If you are in the US and facing US work visa related issues, or if you're abroad looking for a path to North America, consider Canada. Mob Squad can secure Canadian work permits for tech professionals in as little as 6 weeks, putting you on a path to Canadian permanent residency in 12 months and Canadian citizenship in 4 years. Join the squad. And by PERM-ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your cost and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-ads.com help you. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.